this lecture is about implementing a campus-wide network design for any campus using design thinking concepts. I hope you will be familiar with all 5 stages of design thinking. First stage is empathize, second one is define, third one is ideate, fourth one prototype, and last one is test. Okay, so we might have seen various examples, and you might also know different applications. So this is specific to how to implement a campus-wide Wi-Fi connection for any campus. So as you all know, we need to we should make some analysis, and we should find out the real need. What is the need for coming up with this campus Wi-Fi connection? First, in terms of student, so what is the student expectation is? The students will be expecting a seamless Wi-Fi connection so that their learning will be better. Okay, so we are also trying to implement a lot of new strategies. So it's essential that students are also provided with a seamless Wi-Fi connections for different learning initiatives. From faculty point of view, the faculties will be working out with different presentations. For example, for conducting online examinations and doing various work for those particular faculties, they might also need a very good Wi-Fi connection. Then for providing this seamless connection from IT department or from the network department, they should be having a facility so that they manage, they monitor, and they provide a very secure Wi-Fi connection. So from all of these 3 dimensions, we should make sure that all these 3 dimensions are satisfied. Students are also expecting very good Wi-Fi connection. Faculties also need the same good Wi-Fi connection. From IT department, for providing this Wi-Fi connection, they should be able to manage, monitor, and provide security if they are using Wi-Fi connections. Okay. So after analyzing all these things, we are going to define our problem statement. So we are going to present our problem statement in a single line. So we need a Wi-Fi connection which is consistent, secure across campus. Okay, so our campus is very much widespread. We are going to make sure that all departments, all buildings have a uniform Wi-Fi connection in terms of speed and availability. So this is our statement. So we have to work towards this. To ideate, what we are going to do is we are going to establish different Wi-Fi access point, also with high density support. Okay, so we find out that different buildings in different dimension and different direction, and some areas have good Wi-Fi connection, and some areas the Wi-Fi connection is not that much strong, or the signal is getting weaker. So we have to make sure that we are going to have established access points so that everybody receives Wi-Fi signal with same strength, that is high density support. Next one is prototype. So once we are going to ideate that we like to provide campus-wide Wi-Fi connections. Next one is we are going to establish core layer, then distribute layer, so that by establishing this core layer, distribution layer, we are making sure that the Wi-Fi connection is available throughout the campus with same strength. And to manage this, the IT department is provided the security to manage all those connections. At the same time, monitoring is also very much needed. So all these constraints are analyzed, and we are going to come up with one solution, or we are going to come up with a plan for implementing this Wi-Fi connection. Okay. So after confirming with everyone, the same implementation is tested within one department. For example, we can take our department or our building, for example, E block or any one building we can take, and as a pilot run, we are going to implement whatever we have developed or whatever we are supposed to implement, and we are going to measure strength and speed of the network. For a period of time, we are going to implement the actual product in one building, and we are going to make sure that we are properly analyzing everything is working at the moment. So once this is successful, we may extend to entire campus, or if we face any issues or if we face any drawbacks in this implementation, we go back and we analyze what is the problem, and we are rectifying this problem. And once more we are going to run the pilot run in one department building. Once it is successful, we are moving on to the entire campus. Okay. So what we are trying to do is we are going to analyze. We are going to come up with a solution. We are going to implement in a shorter space. Once it is successful, we are taking that application to our entire campus. Okay. So this is how it has to be implemented.